This 5-minute solution will show you how to mark post as Facebook group announcements. It's super easy process. Just follow these easy steps to do it. First of all, let's create a post. So here's I'm in my group and just creating a sample post. And now I will mark this post as my Facebook group announcements. To do that, I'm tapping on this three dot, and here remember one thing, that the pin to featured option is for announcements. So if you want to mark a post as your group announcements, you have to pin the post as featured. So tap on pin to featured. Once done, scroll up, and in this featured section you will get your announcements or your pinned post. That's how you will be able to add multiple posts as your group announcements. Just pin the post to featured section. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.